your rock right now, when in the spend the snow. Yes, 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 I know, here's the summer's wind blow. But he's there below, in the sweat where he grows. So we don't let it go, because it's all up right now. Shrek was always my hero, he was always my bro. When he was in my window, I was happy like a kiddo. He will destroy your ass, you're going to feel a little press, but it's not reason to stress, because he won't beat the crest.